Hello everybody, Dr. Corey Singer here today to talk to you about how to do the calf and hamstring stretch using a towel. So, of course, you'll need a towel for this one. Any towel will do. They do sell specific straps that are designed for the feet, but for most people that don't want to buy it, I'm just going to demonstrate how to use it with the towel. And you want to make sure it's a longer towel, not a short towel. Now, this is really a great exercise to help anybody that's dealing with lower back pain, glute pain, leg pain, knee pain, feet problems, you name it, because a lot of it has to do with the posterior chain or the hamstrings and the calves being tight. So I'm going to show you how to stretch these out properly, and let's go ahead and get started. Now you want to hold this stretch for 4 deep breaths, and we're going to do this on both legs 2 times a day. So let's get started. So you'll find the floor, you can do this on the bed, mat, whatever you want to do. Mat, no mat, doesn't matter. You'll just take your towel, hold it on both sides here. You want to pull up as high as you can go. You'll get the hamstring, and then as you pull down, you'll feel it into the calf as well. So you'll be pulling down on both the hamstring and the calf. Pull it as far as you can go, as tight as you can go. And you want to hold that 4 deep breaths, and it's a really, really nice stretch. 4 deep breaths, you'll do that on both sides. And that's how you do the calf and hamstring stretch using a towel. Enjoy.